Happy Monday, everyone. It's July 29, 2024, and it's a beautiful Monday morning. So let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at siyempre mga kasama nito mga pagsubok and challenges and trials sa life. Wonderful, exciting, and challenging. At siyempre doon naman sa mga taong tumulong sa atin, salamatan natin sila. They are very most important during our trials. At siyempre, doon sa mga taong nakikimarites lang din doon sa buhay natin, pasalamatan din natin sila. Shout out to kay Glenda, kay Glenson, kay Puchi, kay Magic 20, si Cecil Boys, kay Mamalu, Luis Sasi, Henry Carlim, Andana Medina, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Manaan, and Alden Salvadores ng Malay-Balay Bukidnon, Joel and Hani Pistolante, Michael and Michelle Lamongo, Ruby Cortez, Elizabeth Ibarra, Abel Andres, Gina David, Chima David, Inday Araso, Aide Plamero, Rachel Pastolero, and KS My Love, at sa lahat ng mga technician and staff ng Crossling Piligan, Lanoder Norte, Osamis, Zamboanga, and Davao. Peoples of the day natin po is companies always have a backup plan, so make your plan now and create your options now, for you will always be dispensable and replaceable. Yun. Keep that in mind po. So thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Monday, everyone.